Hi there, and having a look at the ab wheel rollouts. This is one of the exercises where you get this cheap little gimmicky thing, and it actually works really, really good. So what you're going to do with the ab rollout, you'll be in this position here, hips are locked in, right, and we're just rolling back, forward from there. Okay. A couple key notes: have something to cushion your knees. This towel is slipping a little bit, but something that'll just make it feel a lot more comfortable. Most people, when they do this exercise, will allow a lot of hip flexion, which makes the exercise easier. So if you go and look at a lot of videos of this exercise, you always see people in this position here, or even if they come out well, they come back with the hips first, and they basically make the exercise a lot easier. So you want to make sure that from the knees to the shoulders, you're maintaining a straight line, abs are locked in, glutes are locked in, and that you're not losing that position. Okay. Also, with this exercise, there'll be a point where you'll break the stabilization threshold, and your back will kind of give out on you. You don't want to go to that point. So if that point's here, you want to stay on this side of it, making sure that you don't have that back give. Okay. Ab wheel is kind of a middle of the road progression with this. So you want to get really good at the front bridge before you do this, and then you want to get good at doing this rollout with the Swiss ball. That'll mechanically make it a little bit easier, and then you progress to the ab wheel. From there you can go to a barbell. Another option is working from the feet and then doing the same motion, starting with a very small range of motion from the feet and gradually building that up. But make sure, like I said, you never cross that stabilization threshold. Always stay nice and tight in through here and lock the hips and the abs in. You'll be good. Enjoy.